One day lang sa Iloilo? Kaya yan. Samahan nyo ako sa isang whole day Iloilo City Tour from the beautiful festive walk, heritage spots hanggang sunset by the river. Tara, gala tayo. Good morning, Iloilo. First stop natin today is the festive walk sa Iloilo Business Park. Ang ganda ng European-inspired architecture dito. Kaya perfect talaga for photos and morning stroll. Tip, mas okay pumunta ng maaga para hindi masyadong mainit at mas relax ang pagpicture. The Iloilo City Government describes Iloilo Business Park as a modern business district with parks, architecture, dining, and nearby attractions. At 9 o'clock, after ng photo walk, breakfast or coffee muna tayo. Huwag nating ubusin ang energy agad dahil marami pa tayong pupuntahan today. 10 o'clock, ang next stop natin is a quick photo stop naman dito sa Richmond Hotel Iloilo. Kung mahilig kayo sa modern city views and architecture, maraming magandang photo spots around this area. At dahil magkakalapit lang ang mga spots dito sa Business Park, convenient siyang gawing starting point ng Iloilo City Tour. At 11 o'clock, from the modern side of Iloilo, punta naman tayo sa historical side and welcome to Molo Church, one of Iloilo's well-known heritage attractions. Ang church na ito ay kilala bilang feminist church dahil sa mga statues ng female saints sa interior. Molo Church is a Gothic Renaissance church dating to 1831 and it is one of Iloilo's recognized heritage attraction. At 12 noon, lunch na tayo. Of course, hindi kumpleto ang Iloilo trip without trying some Ilonggo food. Lunch muna tayo and recharge bago mag-continue sa ating afternoon city tour. At 1:30 p.m., after lunch, punta naman tayo sa Iloilo City proper. Dito natin makikilala ang iba't ibang historical streets and heritage buildings ng Iloilo. Ang gusto ko sa Iloilo, sa isang araw, makikita mo ang combination ng modern city, history, culture, and beautiful architecture. You can include Calle Real and JM Basa Street for your downtown heritage shots. The city government identifies the downtown CBD as a heritage zone. At 4:30, punta naman tayo sa ating favorite part of the day, the sunset. Punta tayo sa Iloilo River Esplanade. Perfect place ito para maglakad, mag-relax, mag-picture at panoorin ang sunset. The city describes the Esplanade as the 9.1-kilometer linear park along the Iloilo River designed for leisure, walking, and recreation. At 6:30, back to festive walk para makita naman natin ang Iloilo by night. Iba-ibang vibe kapag gabi, mas romantic, mas aesthetic, at perfect for night photography. And that's our one-day Iloilo City itinerary. From festive walk, Iloilo Business Park, Molo Church, City proper, hanggang Iloilo River Esplanade. Sulit ang isang araw. Kung nakatulong ang video na ito, malaking suporta ang pag-send ng stars para makagawa ako ng mas marami pang travel guides. I-follow na for free ang Bicolanang Biyahera sa TikTok at Facebook para sa mas marami pang travel tips. And don't forget to subscribe for free ang aking YouTube channel.